Application software includes various types like word processors for typing documents, spreadsheets for mathematical calculations, and databases for keeping records. Selecting a computer system requires considering user needs, hardware factors like processor and memory, and software requirements. Key hardware considerations include choosing the right processor, sufficient memory capacity, cost, upgradability, portability, and multimedia features like sound cards and display adapters. Software considerations involve authenticity and documentation, matching features to user needs, and ensuring reliability, cost-effectiveness, and compatibility with existing hardware. The operating system, or OS, is the main program managing hardware, software, and user interaction. It acts as an intermediary, loads after booting, and controls resource access and efficiency. The OS manages critical resources such as the processor, main memory, RAM, input/output devices, communication ports, and secondary storage, organizing access and execution. Functions of the operating system include job scheduling, error handling, input/output handling, interrupt handling, memory management, and resource control to prevent conflicts. Operating systems are classified by the number of tasks, such as single-tasking or multitasking, and the number of users, either single-user or multi-user. They also vary by user interface type. User interface types include the command line interface, which uses textual commands, the menu-driven interface, which presents options via menus, and the graphical user interface, GUI, which uses icons and pointing devices. A user-friendly operating system often features WIMP elements, windows for work area, icons for graphical symbols, menus for commands, and a pointing device for selection. Choosing the right operating system involves assessing hardware and design compatibility, user interface and support, and key factors like cost, reliability, and performance. Windows provides tools for managing storage devices, including formatting, scanning, and defragmentation. It also offers security features like virus scanning and data protection through backups. File management basics organize data using drives, which are identified by letters, folders, or directories, which group files, and files, which are collections of data with unique names and extensions. Common Windows desktop features include icons, the taskbar displaying running applications, the start menu for system access, and security features like user logon/logoff. Managing files in Windows involves creating, opening, and renaming files and folders. You can also move, copy, and delete items, as well as sort, select, and search for files efficiently. The application window, the primary interface for software interaction, consists of the title bar, menu bar, toolbars, work area, status bar, and scroll bars for navigation and control.